Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing an unresponsive trigger on your Dyson SV12, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to wear and tear or a faulty component inside the trigger mechanism. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further complications, making your vacuum cleaner unusable. To get started on this repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a replacement trigger compatible with the Dyson SV12. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged and completely powered off. Start by removing the dustbin and set it aside. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the screws located on the back of the handle. Once the screws are out, gently pull the two halves of the handle apart, being cautious not to force it, as this can cause damage to the clips holding it together. Inside, you will see the trigger mechanism. Look for any signs of wear or a broken component. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry the trigger out of its housing, taking care not to damage any surrounding parts. Once removed, take your new trigger and insert it into the same position, ensuring it fits snugly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, reconnect any cables that may have been disconnected during this process. Make sure they are seated properly to avoid any electrical issues. Once everything is in place, carefully reattach the handle halves, ensuring that they click back together securely. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier, making sure not to over-tighten them, as this could strip the screws or damage the plastic. Before you finish, take a moment to test the trigger to ensure it's working correctly. If it activates smoothly, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from arising again, regularly check your vacuum's components for wear and tear, and ensure you clean the trigger area to prevent dust accumulation. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.